Abla. Çöpleri de at. Dur ya.
O çöpü de açtırır mısın Kıray? Abim oradakini atsanıza.
Atacak mısın diyor.
Al da bir şey olmaz.
Orada eksik.
Aksuz yine.
Abi size bir şey var mı? Abi söyle.
Naughty, naughty.
Hey, so sticks in that,
Dead rat.
like death.
Dead rat.
What are you doing? Look at you.
That's like shit in there.
Wonder who fitted that one there. We'll come back and change that.
Canlı çöp. Devir takımı varmış. Devir takımı varmış. C'ye. Bir defa Çiğdem'de devir takımı olduğunu görüyorum ben.
Tamam alacak alın.
Looks a bit too thin, that one.
Is it ready or not?
Hold your horses.
Huh?
Hold your horses.
What is in there? You?
Oi! Sorry, 32. But I don't give a shit about what I'll pay you 20.
That should really be cut.
For a haircut, yeah? You need one.
That's there. But I'll bring a knockout and put it in there
But still 32.
and block those holes up with 5 grommets. A bloody spider.
At least do it, don't want it. No, please get my.
What was happening? The fridge freezer was tripping.
You said
And after testing everything, the start and run capacitor was at fault. It'd normally bolt to here. It's a plastic body. The one that was in it was a metal body, measured in 10, 12, in between 12, yeah, 12 UF, and this one's 20, as it should be. Let's power on again.
Çabuk kamerayı al diyor.
There we go. The relay in there was jammed as well, so that needs replacing. This monstrosity, because it was getting like water build up, trickling down, and I thought it was going down here, causing a leakage, but it turned out it was an inrush current. Let's see if it works now. With the run and start capacitors being faulty, it can cause excessive current in your cylinder and kill your cylinder. Oh, jump then. Let's see we're on. There's a lot of start current in there. What I may do is change the RCBO to allow the inrush current. Well, I'll just cut these up and tidy it up. Catch it in a bit. What I'm going to do for now, I'm going to put this plastic over there, covering that hole to cable ties. Then seal it up at some point. I want to change this because all I've done there is tie wrapped it, left the crimpers behind. So I'll just kill it a minute. Pop the cover off, put the bag there and cable tie. Get it as tight as I can. So I'll just kill it a minute. Pop that cover off and do it that way. Well, there we go. So all I'll do now is turn on and wait. Make sure it kicks back in. Here's where it dies again. And here we go. You are running. When the machine's on, it's pulling about 7 amps. I think it was 7.1. I'll check later in the video. Just over 7 amps. So I will look at changing the RCBO. That's a MCB and a RCD in one unit. What I first thought it was the air leakage, so I disconnected all the earths, so there's no air from the cylinder. Done that in the box there, just the other end of this lead, unplugged it from here, and it was still tripping. Then I thought to myself, is it leaking from somewhere there to somewhere in the building? So I took a measurement from here to the gas pipe, and there was no link. And I also undone it in the socket, and it was still tripping. So I came to the conclusion, excessive current. Checked the capacitor, changed it, and we appear to be happy. Anyway, I'll have the video here, and I will do an update when I come to change the relay. Put a brand new capacitor, that's new but old stock. It's probably fine, but I'll just change it. It'll only 10 quid, £15 most postage. I think that's tight enough there. That's isn't it a fall anywhere? What I found here hadn't been cleaned for a while, so there was the poor machine was choking. See that I can pretty much see through it, but I'll bring her back with me and clean it out. Anyway, that's all.